Do you want a cheap and easy to make accessory that you can customize to take any of your outfits to the next level? Today I'm going to show you how to make these tassel earrings. Hi there, I'm Ashley Thompson and I am the DIYer behind this channel, Aloe Plum, where we DIY everything better. And when I say everything, I mean everything. I know on YouTube it's generally a good idea to niche down and cover one topic well, but I just can't. I am a jack of all crafts and I have crafter's ADD, so I have to just keep crafting new things all the time, which is what led me to these adorable tassel earrings. And I know what you're gonna say if you've been watching my channel for a while. You already know I'm obsessed with tassels. It's true. This winter I did a lot of tasseled home decor projects. I did a tassel garland, tasseled pillows, tasseled baskets. You get my drift. But now that it's summer, I'm starting to think of all of the fun things I'm gonna do all summer long out and about, and all of the things I could match my tassel earrings to. I promise this is so easy that you really can make a new pair of tassel earrings for every outfit or every swimsuit. Who am I kidding? I actually made these earrings the other day not to match anything, just because I love the colors, and since then I've already made a crocheted bikini top to match the earrings. It's a vicious cycle. But before we get to the point where I show you how to make these adorable earrings, take a second now to subscribe to my channel. Here on my channel, you will find new tutorials every week about fun DIY projects from home decor to fashion apparel, and I always share my tips, tricks, and hacks to help you with all of your projects. For these earrings, I used a pink, yellow, and blue embroidery floss from DMC embroidery floss because that's my favorite, and I attached it to a rose gold hook. Here I have my 3 colors of embroidery floss. I am using a pink, yellow, and blue. And I'm just going to open up this embroidery floss, and then I'm going to use a scissors to cut through that top loop, and then I'm going to turn it around and cut through the bottom as well. So then I will have 2 sections of my pink embroidery floss, and I'll use 1 section for each of the earrings. I'll do the same thing to my yellow and my blue. And then I'm going to take now each section and split it in half as well. So here I have just the 1 section of my pink, yellow, and blue to make 1 earring, and I'm splitting them each in about half. It doesn't have to be perfect. I separated a few strands out of my blue first, and I'm just going to lay that down here, and it's what I'm going to use to tie the top of my tassel. So I'm going to take one of my blue sections and lay it down, and then I'm going to lay a section of yellow down. Now I'm going to lay a section of pink down, and then start back over with blue again. One more section of yellow, and then my final section of pink will go on top. Spreading my colors out like that will give a lot of variety to my earring. Now I'm just going to take my piece of blue thread and I'm going to tie it around the middle. Now I'm going to just tie 1 more knot to keep it nice and secure, and then I can pull my tassel up and kind of brush through all of those different colored strands and kind of mix them up together a little bit more. And then you can see my finished tassel will have nice intermixed colors all the way through it. Now I'm just taking some of my yellow embroidery floss and I'm going to tie it around my tassel towards the top of the tassel. Now I'm going to wrap that thread around my tassel another time and knot it again from the front just to make sure it stays nice and tight and secure. And I'm going to wind the tail of my yellow thread around my tassel so that that yellow really pops. And just tie your yellow thread in a double knot to finish it off. Now I've taken the loose tail of my blue thread and put it through a needle, and I'm just going to use that needle to feed it through the hole in my earring. I'll bring it back through my tassel and then back through the earring a couple of times to make sure it's secure, and then simply knot it up to be done. One of my secrets to getting nice clean edges when I cut my tassels and to having tassels that lay nice and flat is to use a flattener like this used in crocheting or knitting, or just water to wet my tassel down before I cut it. Just smooth out your tassel and then take a scissors and cut a nice even edge along the bottom. And of course, here we have our finished earrings. Didn't I tell you they were really easy? And of course, my favorite way to style these earrings this summer is with my favorite new crocheted bikini tops. Go check out that tutorial too. As always, if you liked this tutorial, give the video a like too. And if you want to start seeing some of the sneak peeks about what's coming to my channel next, head over to Instagram and follow me at @AlloPlum. If it ever gets warm enough here in South Dakota for me to put my new rainbow bikini on with my tasseled earrings and go sit by the pool, I'll throw a picture of that on Instagram too.